Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360. Today we will create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. To create such kind of component, first we will draw this profile. We will revolve it around this axis so that it will create the same object as we have seen in this particular image. For that, first I will draw a center line. So here I am closing this window and go to Fusion 360 interface. Go to create a sketch, select the plane, draw a line of, let's say, of 72 mm. After drawing this line of 72 mm, we will draw one more line of 72 mm, and the distance between these two lines will be from here. In this image we can see it is at a distance of 24 mm. So we will provide here 24 and press enter. After this we have to draw this horizontal line, and the length of this horizontal line is 30. That is 72 minus 48 divided by 2, that is 12 mm. So we have to draw a line of 12 mm. So just this line, draw a line of 12 mm, then press. Then next we have to draw one more line of, from here we can see it is at a distance of 24 mm from here. So we will draw a line of 24 mm. We use 24. After this we will draw a horizontal line. We can see from this figure that the diameter of this outer circle is 108 mm and it is 72 mm. So we have to draw a line of 18 mm here. So we'll draw a line of 18 mm. Then we will draw one more line of 16 mm. Then we will draw one more line of 18 mm. Then we will draw the line of 32 mm and close the loop. So as you can see, we have created this profile. Now we will provide a taper here. This taper is of 4 into 45 degree, means 4 mm, and we will provide an angle of 45 degree. So what we have to do, just escape from here. We will select this chamfer, and from chamfer we will select this distance and angle chamfer and select this one, and we have to provide this is 4 into 45. So here we will provide 4 and tab, and V angle should be 45 and press enter. The next, to create this section, what we have to do, we have to create a circle of 8 mm diameter. So from here we'll select this circle command and we will draw 8 mm diameter circle. Press enter. Select this line command. Select this one, and in this way. Now select this trim command. Trim all the unwanted edges in this way. We have to do. Now the next, Similarly, we have to create here. Again, we will select same and create a circle of 8 mm again and press enter. Draw a line. After this, select the trim command. So now what the profile we have seen in this particular image, we have created one more thing that is remaining. We have to provide here one more chamfer, distance and angle. And from the figure we can see it is 4 into 45 degree. So here I will provide 4 and 45 and press enter. After this, the next what we have to do, we have to finish this sketch. Go to this revolve command, and this it already select this particular profile. Now it asks us about the revolving axis. So it is our revolving axis and press OK. So as you can see, we have created the same object what we have seen in this particular image. Now the next, we have to provide these holes, these 6 holes, and the angle of each hole is 60 degree from each other. So just select this one and go to create a sketch. Select this, and one more thing what we have to know, these holes are at a circle of 80 mm diameter. So first we have to draw a circle of 88 mm diameter, and that is for reference, and press enter. After this, draw a circle of 8 mm diameter in this way and press enter. After this, from here we will select this pattern, circular pattern, select this object, select the center point, provide here 6 number of quantity and press OK and finish the sketch and extrude all these holes. In negative, from here we can see it is at a distance of minus 16 mm and press enter. So you can see we have created the holes at an angle of 60 degree from each other. Now we will provide the appearance to this particular object. For that, from here we can see we have to provide a pink color here and green color, then gray, and like this. So we have such kind of color, then we will provide here. So here we will select this appearance command. From here we will select this face. One by one I will provide. Here we will provide blue, here green, red, and On the top, we will provide white. Here in this face yellow. Similarly, we will provide here red and this face yellow. Here we will provide white, and what other color we have? Let's say here we'll provide black, and same here we'll provide black. So as you can see, we have created the same object what we have seen in this particular image with the help of revolve command, pattern command, and circle command. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.